How to deactivate a group chat in Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to deactivate a group chat in Facebook Messenger, you can only do this if you are the last admin remaining in the group. Facebook doesn't let you fully delete a Messenger group chat from everyone's account, but you can deactivate it, effectively closing the group chat. Deactivating a Facebook Messenger group chat will allow you to delete the group chat from the Messenger app in your account and effectively archive it for everyone who was in the group chat, so they can still see it, but they cannot send new messages in the group or invite new members. Now let's jump into the steps. Step 1 is to open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Once you have logged in, tap on the group chat that you want to deactivate. From here, tap on the eye icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the option of See Members. Once you're here, you first have to make sure that every single member has been removed from the group. For that, tap on the member individually, then tap on Remove from Group Chat option. Follow the same steps for all the members of the group. Once all the members have been removed, tap your own username. Then tap on the option of Leave Conversation. A pop-up will appear asking you for confirmation. Tap on the option of Leave. Once you have left the group chat, you can see that the conversation has been completely deleted in your account. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.